Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday of the first Fabric Friday of 2025. This is an introduction to my block of the month. It's really done my head in. It's really done my head in because I've tried to like them, but I don't like scrappy blocks. And I've done quite a few over the past 6 months, and for figuring out my block sizes and the pieces that need to go, I thought I'd use every scrap I can find. So that's what I've done, and you can see there's no particular rhyme and reason why they're in the places they are, so you can't see the patchwork pattern at all. That's an old one I got, and so there's about 12 blocks in total there. So that was just to get my sizes right. After that I got a few fat quarters or the equivalent thereof of colours that I wasn't too bothered about, but so I could see what the patterns are like, and this is how they've come out now. You can see the patterns better, whereas before you couldn't. So now I have got the blocks that I want. I've got more than I want actually. This is what I'm going to use to put these together. But now I can actually start the block of the month. You're going to be doing, well, I'm going to be making 6 blocks which are 16 inches, and then it's going to be borders and different other things, but the blocks themselves, there's only 6 of them. These that I've made, I will be putting them in a different layout and doing quilts out of them, and I'll bring you on along and show you that. I'm not going to make all the blocks that I have done, but I can talk you through any that you've seen and you like and are not in the block of the month. And it'll start one Friday in February, one Friday in January. At the moment I'm in the middle of clothes making, well, dressmaking. I'm making 2 dresses, and I'll show you now what they are. This is the first dress I made. I wanted to do it long sleeved, but this fabric I'd not got enough to make it long sleeved. So I got a load of this black and I thought, yeah, I'll add it to it. And I've made it more like a pencil skirt and put a split in the back, and it's long sleeved. With the fabric I'd got left over, I thought I'll make another one. So this red fabric, I've got enough left to bind it as well. Short sleeves, and the black material is actually the skirt of it, which I've made more fuller, with sort of pleats, any pockets, whatever you want to call them. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I might make a black cardigan to go with it, because I've got a load of this left, so I might make a long black cardigan go with it. But as you can see, I'm in the middle of dressmaking at the moment, so I won't actually be starting the block of the month just yet anyway. Thank you. Bye.